Welcome back to the channel. Rocket. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest game changers in Forex trading, automated trading, and why Market Master Robot is helping traders in Dubai and beyond achieve stress-free success. Let's face it, most traders fail not because they don't understand the market, but because of stress, emotions, and missed opportunities. That's where automation comes in. By using trading robots like Market Master Robot, you can trade smarter, faster, and more accurately, without the burden of emotional decision-making. One of the biggest advantages of automated trading is speed. Market conditions can change in seconds, and a robot can execute trades instantly, something human traders can never match. Market Master Robot is built to scan opportunities and act with precision, ensuring you never miss a profitable setup. Manual trading often comes with mistakes, entering the wrong lot size, trading at the wrong time, or letting fear and greed cloud your judgment. Automation completely removes these errors. Market Master Robot follows tested strategies, without hesitation, without panic, just pure logic. In Dubai's fast-paced lifestyle, time is money. With automated trading, you don't need to sit in front of charts all day. The robot works 24/7, giving you freedom to focus on your business, career, or family, while your trading account works for you. Market Master Robot isn't just another trading bot, it's designed with Dubai's traders in mind. With low-risk strategies, multiple trading styles, and compatibility with top brokers, it gives you the perfect balance of safety and profitability. So if you want to experience stress-free, profitable trading, it's time to embrace automation. Market Master Robot empowers you to trade without emotions, without errors, and with confidence. Right finger ready to get started? Check out the links in the description, join our Telegram community, and start your journey with Market Master Robot today.